Hey coin enthusiasts and history buffs, welcome back to Dollar Mint Old Coin. In today's video, we're diving deep into a brand new release, the 2023 South Africa 50-cent coin. This isn't just another coin. It's the very first of the fourth decimal series, featuring a brand new design, shape, and cultural symbolism. And yep, I'm going to tell you why there's also a rumor floating around that this coin is worth a staggering $34 million. Let's unpack fact from fiction, and by the end, you'll know exactly what makes this coin special, or just plain ordinary. South Africa introduced the fourth decimal coin series beginning January 1st, 2023, marking the first major redesign since 1989, Numismatics. 1. Business Tech. 2. Each denomination features new themes rooted in deep ecology, celebrating the country's wildlife and flora. For example, the R5 coin now features a southern right whale, replacing the wildebeest. The R2 sports a springbok, replacing the kudu. The R1 features the prote, replacing the springbok. The 50C coin, our focus, now shows the Loerie, Numismatics, instead of the Strelitzia flower. Business Tech. 2. Coin-brothers.com. 3. Another unique feature, the phrase South Africa appears in all 11 official languages ***, distributed annually across denominations by a rotational system over a 10-year span. On the 50C coin, it will appear in 2 languages, Business Tech. 2. Muntstuck.com. 4. Let's zoom in on this 50-cent piece obverse designed by M.J. Scheepers. It features South Africa's coat of arms with full symbolism, Khoisan figures, elephant tusks, the protea, the infinity motif, together representing unity, heritage, and hope. Coin-brothers.com. 3. Muntstuck.com. 4. Reverse designed by Linda Loerie, depicting the vivid Numismatics in flight, the iconic Loerie with its cow call, set against a newly minted hexagonal border, down from a 9-sided nonagon. Coin-brothers.com. 3. Business Tech. 2. Specifications material, bronze-plated, nickel, steel weight, for 0.5 G diameter, 22 mm thickness, 1.9 mm edge, reeded shape, round, but enclosed in a hexagonal outline. Muntstuck.com. 4. Last Dodo. 5. Catalog details. It's cataloged as KM#781, minted by the South African Mint. Last Dodo. 5. Now let's address the elephant, or the Loerie, in the room. Is this coin really worth $34 million? Short answer, no. There's absolutely no evidence, no auction records, no grading reports, nothing supporting any astronomical valuation. It's a modern, mass circulation coin launched this year. Unless it has a major minting error or is a promotional proof/rare variant. Its market value is essentially face value. **0.50 ZR**, around $0.03. Numista 6, Reddit 7. As one Reddit user bluntly put it, these don't hold value, meaning they're definitely not going to skyrocket in worth. Reddit 8. Another even joked, these aren't rare or old, so it's still just worth 5C. Reddit 7. So unless you find a graded mint error in gem condition, don't expect millions from this coin. That if you're a collector, what should you look for? Proof or uncirculated sets can have slight premiums. For instance, a 2023 mint set containing 6 coins, 10C to R5, can list for around $25, 30 USD, eBay, 9, piecesdemonedas.com, 10. Grading high-grade coins MS65 Plus can increase value, but often the upfront grading and handling costs outweigh profits unless you've got a genuine rarity. Reddit 11. The fun lies in completing rotational language sets, collecting error varieties, or just appreciating the thematic design evolution. The 2023 series marks a beautiful tribute to South African biodiversity and inclusivity, especially with the rotating language concept and deep ecology motifs that in summary. The 2023 South Africa 50C coin is a striking, modern piece with deep ecological symbolism and inclusive language representation. It's not worth $34 million, but at face value, it remains a charming addition to any collection. What do you think? Would you collect all language variants of the 50C? If you spot a rare die error or proof version, drop a comment. I'd love to see it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more coin deep dives, myths busted, and mint mysteries solved. Until next time, keep minting memories with Dollar Mint Old Coin.